The INFANS 2-in-1 stroller is a versatile option that seamlessly converts between a stroller and a bassinet, making it ideal for infants and toddlers up to 36 months. This stroller features a reversible seat, allowing your child to either face you or explore the world around them, providing flexibility and comfort during outings. The one-hand fold mechanism is a standout feature, offering effortless storage and portability, which is perfect for parents on the go. Equipped with EVA shock-absorbing wheels and a one-touch brake, this stroller ensures a smooth and stable ride on various terrains, enhancing safety and comfort. The adjustable UV protective canopy and reclining backrest cater to different weather conditions and your child's needs, making it a practical choice for naps and playtime. Constructed with breathable Oxford fabric and a sturdy aluminum alloy frame, the stroller is both durable and comfortable, with a convenient storage basket for essentials.